Hi, I'm Meg from LUMOplay, and this is just going to be a very quick video about how to choose a computer for LUMOplay in 2026. As you may or may not have noticed, there is a bit of a chip shortage and everything is very expensive right now. So I wanted to update our last video about which computer I thought was the best pick. I have been using the Beelink Circ 9 for quite a while. I bought it from Amazon. It's about half the price of everything else that I've tried. And that's the computer that I now am recommending for people who are using LUMOplay in a less than professional capacity, which is to say you're not using it in a play center or a commercial environment where it's a little bit more mission critical that your LUMOplay system be running every single day. If you are running a system every day for more than 4 or 5 hours a day, I still recommend getting your computer from simply Nook, or SNUC as they're known now. Links to both of those products are on the hardware recommendations page on our website. If anything changes, I'll update this video, but for right now, those are the two kind of options that are on different ends of the pricing spectrum. I wanted to make sure that people know that there is a less expensive option for non-commercial installations. This isn't to say that you can't use that computer in a commercial capacity. I just wouldn't be running it 24/7, and just be aware that there are going to be some things that you need to do to it. They're detailed on the hardware page to prepare it because it's meant as a consumer computer. So you're gonna have to take a whole bunch of stuff off of it that you don't need. And you also are gonna have to figure out a mounting solution for it because it's not meant as a digital signage computer. It's just meant to sit on a desk. So I have mine on a shelf and that's worked really, really well for me. And like I said, I've been running it for over a year now in my lab. It is on 24/7 and has not had a problem. So I'm now comfortable recommending that computer, and it is still the least expensive computer on the market that I have heavily tested in the lab. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or you want to get in touch with me, or you just really like congratulating us for still being around even though all of the things are getting more expensive, please leave a comment or subscribe to the channel or just hit like, or send me an email at info@lumoplay.com. I answer all the emails, I answer all the comments, and I'll see you again next week with another video.